Whoosh,
Yeah, that's two.
and abracadabra. Boom, boom.
Achoo! Hey, whoosh! Achoo! Second down.
Well, the rainbow-coloured wind has turned out to be an ill wind blowing no good. At least not for Tora and her soldiers. We don't know for sure what kind of powder Vicky used, but my guess would be white pepper. He must have used two powders. This must be a kind of itching powder. With the strength of 1,000,000 nettles, the two powders combined have made Tora and her men absolutely helpless.
Double dealing, two-faced frauds, vicious Vikings. You revolting runts, two filthy little Vikings.
Is there anything more I can do for you?
Get out of my sight, you devil. They've escaped. They're miserable Jews. Don't just